Developing your authority is a foundational skill for how you lead yourself, how you relate to others, and how you move through the world. This course offers a clear and guided path into that work. It invites you to strengthen your inner capacity so you can act with clarity and self-trust across personal, relational, and professional life. Through a structured sequence of modules, you will explore the beliefs that shape your decisions, learn how to work with internal limits, and develop skills that support grounded self-leadership. You'll engage online tools for emotional regulation, reflective inquiry, and values-based skill sets that foster a calm, self-authoritative presence. As you cultivate these capacities, you will notice an internal balance emerging in how you respond to stress, maintain clearer decision-making, and a steadier way of meeting life's challenges. This training offers a deep engagement with personal transformation and invites you to step into it. The tools learned in this training are offered with intention, and their impact unfolds as you apply the skills to the context of your own life. Personal growth moves on its own timeline. There is no deadline, no finish line, only continued integration. Consider the content in this course an entry point into a lifelong experiential process that will mature with you and evolve over a lifetime. You are investing in your future self, and that choice matters.